Hola. Wanna say happy birthday, Ma'am Inday. And I wish more birthday to come. Good health and safe. Hopefully, manahal tayo sa loto. Sana all. And take care always. See you.
Hello, Inday. Happy 75th birthday. I wish you all the best, good health, and a long life. Bye, Inday.
Happy birthday, Inday. I hope you have a good day, a long life, and a good health. Bye.
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Sinta. We miss you. Go visit us here. We miss you, Lola.
Inday, happy 75th birthday. How's your trip going in the Philippines? Thank you for always feeding me and loving me. And I love you so much. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Lola. Happy birthday to you.
One more.
Happy birthday to you. Clap. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola. Blow! Yay! Happy birthday, Lola. Say happy birthday. Please.
Hi Lola, happy 75th birthday. I wish you all the best in life, and I know that you deserve everything in this world, especially yung love and the support of your family, especially na tito and tita, and thank you for everything. Simula pagkabata namin hanggang makagraduate ako ng college, you're always there to support us, and especially moral support that we really need. I remember nung bata pa lang kami, every time na uwi ka from Manila or kung saan ka man galing, lagi kami may pasalubong ni Kuya, and yun yung something na hindi ko makakalimutan. Thank you for everything, and I hope to see you soon here in Dubai. Mag-ingat ka palagi, and I hope na gusto mo yung flowers na pinadala ko on your birthday. Love you, Lola!
Hi Ma! Happy 75th birthday to you. Do know na we love you and we appreciate you for everything na ginagawa mo sa amin. Naway sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay, good health, and iwasan na mga maalat, lechon, at crispy pata. Okay? Laging inumin ng maintenance. Huwag magpapaka-stress. Okay? Kayang-kaya natin yan. And thanks for everything despite of misunderstandings or tampuhan. Alam mo naman na bati na kaagad tayo. Okay? And to all our guests, family, relatives, and friends, thanks po for coming over para sa birthday ni Mama Inday sa kanyang 75th birthday and for making it memorable. Di man ako nakauwi dyan, that's okay. Everything happens for a reason. And probably I'll see you guys real soon. Okay? And enjoy lang po lahat. And hopefully, ay marami pang birthday tayong ma-witness kay Mama. And thank you so much for coming over. Okay? Bye, Ma. Happy birthday. See you soon sa pagbalik mo. Bawi na lang ako dito. And God bless everyone. Bye. Thank you, Ma. I love you.